talk to you today about progressive tense. This is a whodunit. And for this assignment, what you want to do is read all the information and watch the videos on slides 2 and 3. And then read the instructions on slide 4. And then you're going to complete the clues 1 through 10, then type your what happened on slide 16. So let's look at this. So first of all, progressive tense. So verb tenses and timelines. So with a verb tense, we basically have a simple verb tense, a progressive verb tense, and a perfect verb tense. Our focus today would be the progressive verb tense. So with progressive verb tense, we have what's called past, present, and future. And with the past verb tense, we have like I was walking to Benjamin. And then Benjamin was talking to me. The students were talking to Benjamin. So I was talking to Benjamin. Benjamin was talking to me. The students were talking to Benjamin. These all are things that happened in the past. But then we have present. Now, present is something that's ongoing. It's happening right now. I am talking to Benjamin. Benjamin is talking to me, and the students are talking to Benjamin. So this is all happening at the very moment. Then we have what's called future progressive. With future, it's events that will be happening in the future. So I will be talking to Benjamin. Benjamin will be talking to me, and the students will be talking to Benjamin. So past, present, future. There's a few rules that go along with progressive verb tense. Of course, we have was for past, am for present, will be for future. But notice what they all have in common. Notice how they all have this helping verb. So the helping verb will help the main verb describe the action. Am, is, are, was, were, had, could, would, should, been, must, have, be, do, might, has, may, being, shall, did, can, will. Those are a few of our helping verbs. And the helping verbs also go along with what we call with the verb, we put an ing. So I am working. We have the ing added to the verb work. I am designing. So the ing, I will be eating. So you add the ing to the verb in order to make it the progressive, whether it's past, present, or future progressive. So it must have a helping verb and a verb ending in ing. And then singular verbs must match. Singular verbs, plural, singular subjects must match. Singular verbs, plural subjects must match the plural subjects. Now we get into the instructions. 6 contestants on a reality TV show were stunned to find their lowest scoring colleague was injured. You must figure out the crime before the end of the day. The question is, who done it? And how? The player last known whereabouts and method that are left unaccounted for is the solution. So in this document, you will find 10 clues that you must crack. Each correct answer will rule out either a player and a last known whereabouts or a method. When you get this clue, you will need to mark off the who is the criminal on slide 3. And I think it's on slide 5 for us. After you collect all 10 clues, there will only be one possibility remaining. This reveals the crime. Write a sentence that includes the criminal, location of the crime, and the method used to cause the injury of what happened. Okay, so, and that will be on our last slide. So if we look at this slide, once you figure this out, you are going to make a copy. So I'm going to do, just copy this. And then make a copy, and then you want to paste it. So let's go look at our first clue number 1. Choose the correct progressive verb form to complete the sentence. Right now, the jurors blank the cups out for the picnic. So this is happening right now. So right now, the jurors were sitting will be setting, was setting. So were setting is past. Will be setting is future. Was setting is happening in the past. They are setting is happening right now. So that means I'm going to take this highlight, move it over the correct answer, and I know I have a clue now. So this is the right now, the juniors are setting the cups out for the picnic. The injury was not from a fallen object. So you're going to go back to your clue page on slide 5 and look at fallen object. So we can mark this off because it is not from the falling object. So click on that. Well, if you can copy and paste it, or you can just put your own X in there. It doesn't matter. You can type your own X in there. You can do that. All right. And when you're finished and you have all the clues, don't forget to write a sentence that includes the criminal, the location of the crime, and the type of injury based upon what is left.